What's up, guys? Welcome back to the garage. Welcome back to the channel, man. In the last video, we made the downpipe here. See, we got the downpipe welded all up. We got it to where it's not hitting anything. We got gaps all the way around, and I finally got the exhaust to meet up right there. So what I had to do is I just dropped the whole exhaust down from the car, and then just pulled it forward a little bit, put it on jack stands, welded it up, and then just rehung it up, and all the hangers and everything lined back up, so we're good to go. So it does have the full Grady 3-inch exhaust underneath the back, out to the Grady can in the back. So it looks pretty good. I think the alignment is great. What do you guys think? Let me know. But we're not going to be working on these today. Got something, man. So let me get the driveway cleaned off, and then I'm going to show you guys something. I'll be right back. And boom, there she is, guys. We got ourselves a 99 Honda Civic. So this was actually my neighbor's car. It was sitting right over there for about 2.5 years. And his son used to daily drive it, and then he moved out of state and just left it sitting. And he asked me if I wanted to buy it. I told him, yeah. So I got it for a good price. It has a problem where it's just turning off all the time. I believe it's the ignition going bad, so I'll probably have to buy a new one of those. But it's pretty clean. Not too bad. Everything's here. Seems like everything works. A little stain on the carpet, looks like some coffee. But we have a carpet cleaner, we can get that out. Door panels look good. Little Pioneer radio. Got some black ice, a lot of black ice. Golly. Yeah, they like that smell. Back seats look like nobody's ever sat in them. It looks brand new. Look at this. So basically the car needs some TLC. It was sitting in the hot Florida sun for a really long time. So it's really faded out and rough. So we're gonna see what we can do with that. See if we're able to bring it back at all with buffing it. But other than that, man, it's a little clean car, guys. So let's get the hood pop for you. What kind of miles we got? I didn't even look. 193. She's just getting broken in. And this is the LX model, guys, so nothing special. No VTEC. Really dirty. But all original. It's all here. Jeez. It's got like that, I don't know if it's like mold or moss or something, starting to grow all over there. You can see that block is toasted. That thing is disgusting. So yeah, we're definitely going to degrease this. It probably has a bad valve cover gasket or a cam seal or something going bad. They did say they changed the timing belt. They said it was marked right there. So it has been changed. So I think I'm just going to hope that they did it all the right way. I mean, obviously they have, because it's been running for another 100,000 miles past that. So all right, so now they know what we're working with. Let's go ahead and get this thing cleaned up. All right, so we got the pressure washer ready to go. Got some super clean here. I got a little pressurized spray bottle. Just gonna use all the super clean. There was a little bit of water in there, so that would dilute it for us. But we need it good and strong for the grease and all that mold that we're trying to get off of there. So to show you guys really how nasty it is. I'll give you an up close. All right, can you guys see how nasty that hood is? Look at that. That's nasty. So let's try to get this cleaned up, man. That looks horrible. Man, the wind's blowing the shit right in my eyes. That's fun. Yeah, super clean burns a little bit. Try to get all this plastic. The super clean really cleans the Honda plastic really well. Like, it makes all the connectors and stuff look brand new. That was an acorn. Yeah, watch out for those around here. They'll knock you out. But yeah, we're just gonna get this whole thing saturated, guys. We'll let it sit for a second, and I'm gonna come back with my brushes and my Dawn soap and start really scrubbing all these areas that are caked on with all this grease. This motor base probably never ever been cleaned before. I think I'm the first one. Look at that block though. And that's all she wrote. All that super clean gone that fast. All right, let's get the brushes out. Little pause from the hyperlapse real quick, but check out how it's coming out, guys. The hood looks like brand new. Everything is really, really cleaning up. A lot of that grease is coming off. If you see down there, I did the transmission. I'm about to make my way over to the block right here. Look how nasty that block is. That is horrible. So we want to be able to read that numbers plate there when I'm done with this, because right now I don't even know which one this is right now. I know it's a D15 something. We'll find out after we clean this all up. right, guys, check it out. Motor bay is complete. It's looking pretty good. This motor bay cleaned up really well. All that like mildew came off, all the old grease came off, all the dust. So we're gonna blow it down with the blower just to get all the water to not pool up on anything and kind of blow out the connectors a little bit. But yeah, it came out really good. So we'll get this closed up after we dry it, and then we'll start washing the outside of the car. I want to see if you guys can see this. You might not be able to, but that's pressure washed. This is not. So I'm trying to get this mildew like off the car because it's like really rough, like it feels like overspray. Then after you get it off, it's really smooth. But still, if I clay bar it, will get a lot better. But you can see I cleaned this window right here, pressure washed it. This one I haven't done. The windshield I haven't done. You see how foggy it is. Like that, I think if I was to try to scrub it with just the soap, it wouldn't really do nothing. So that's why I'm pressure washing it off right now. And then I'm going to go over it with the soap. So it's just going to take a little bit longer, but let me knock this out real quick and then we'll get back to it. All right, so I just pressure washed the whole car off. Got all that mildew off the windows and off the paint. So it's looking a lot better already. So now I'm going to go ahead and get the soap out and start washing it down. All right, so cleaning the inside now, getting all these door jambs nice and clean. Try to get as much in there as I can. Got all these little brushes and attachments too. You guys know in there collects all those leaves and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and just knock all this out and throw you guys on a time lapse. All right, guys, so we just got done cleaning the door jambs. They came out real good, real good. So we're gonna dry these up, and then we're gonna shampoo the carpet. That's why I wasn't worried about getting it wet, because we're gonna shampoo everything, get it all nice and smelling good, wipe down the interior, and this thing is gonna be looking great. Then we just gotta change that ignition, and this thing is probably gonna be ready for sale, guys. So this was going to be a real quick one, so let's get to work. So the engine's all nice and clean now. Looks good. We can actually read the numbers now. So we got a D16Y7. I thought it was a D15 because of that weird intake on there. But D16, cool. And so we got the interior looking real good. It's all vacuumed out, all wiped down. All the door jambs are all dry. It's looking good. So next thing we got to do, we're going to shampoo the carpets, and then we might try buffing out the headlights and buffing out some of the exterior paint. See what we can work with and what we can't. And then I guess we'll have to wash it down again after buffing it and then call it a night. But this is it for it, guys. All right, guys, just got finished with the headlights. Wow, they look brand new. Just for a little bit of plastic buffing cream and my Milwaukee buffer, and they came out looking great. My son's been restoring the trim. So all the trim is looking good. Looks brand new. Wow. Now we just gotta wash it again because all the buffing cream. But I'm gonna try buffing out the back a little bit here. I mean, I don't know if there's much I can do. It looks like it's just really sun faded. It's still shining. I think I'm just gonna leave it how it is. Don't want to accidentally mess it up. But yeah, it's coming out good, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know what you guys think I should ask for something like this once it's running and driving perfectly fine. All right, man, that's gonna be it for this video. Catch you on the next one. Peace.